Whoa, look at this. This website looks completely insane with this parallax effect over here. Here you can see we have 3 different flavors of this soda drink available, which is Fanta. And whenever I'm scrolling down, a cute and a beautiful parallax effect is coming over here. And here, like if I go to fruit twist, which is like another flavor, you can see that cinematic look over here. And here inside header we have ingredients option, nutritional info, reviews, FAQ and contact us. So whole website is completely responsive as well as very, very pretty. So you might have found websites over the internet which are responsive but not that much beautiful. And if it is going to be a beautiful website, then not much that much of responsive. But this website looks completely insane, and you will not be going to believe that I designed this complete website without adding a single line of code by just using AI. So today in this video, we will be going to design an exact same website with this cool parallax effect over there, cinematic effect over there by just using AI tools. So without wasting any time, let's get started and jump over to the main video. I have divided this video into multiple chapters and parts. If required, you can jump over to any chapter or part from the chapters attached in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I'm here on my screen, and these are the tools which we will be going to need today for this video. Okay, so let's have a look at the requirements. So the first tool which we will be going to need today is Google Whisk. So this is the tool which we will be going to need today so as to generate graphics. And then the second tool is Google Flow, and again which is like Google Flow is one more tool from the side of Google where we can provide like a starting frame and ending frame, and even can generate videos by just providing text. So the frames which we'll be going to get from Whisk, we will be using to generate and like convert them to a video using Google Flow. Okay. After that, the next tool is EasyGIF. So like easyzif.com we will be going to use so that we can convert our generated video into Webp format, which is web pixel format. Okay, so we'll be going to need this one. And then here's the most important document. So this is the document for which you will be going to get the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. So here you will find all of the prompts which we will be going to use today for this video. And then for sure, so as to generate, we for sure need a IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. So we will be going to use the latest AI generation tool from the side of Google, which is Google Antigravity or Antigravity. So this is the tool or ID from the side of Google. You just need to click on download for a specific operating system, and then you can start using it offline in your system. So we will be going to use this so as to generate code by using AI. Okay, so now finally, once you have developed your website, you will for sure need to host it. So for hosting, we will be going to use 2 platforms. First one is Hostinger. So on Hostinger, we will be hosting our website. And if you're looking for a completely free solution, we will be going to use Firebase console, using which you can host your website completely for free without paying any charges to them. Okay, so these are the tools which we'll be going to use today for this video purpose. Okay, so now let's start with the very first step, which is finding some reference. So for this video, I will be generating a SodaCan website. So I will search for something Latin over here on Google. Okay, so I will be generating a website for Fanta SodaCan. So I will find some good images which will suit my requirement, and I will be looking for different flavors. If you are generating for something else or product you might have, so you can go with AI generated photos, or maybe you can capture some photos using camera and use those photos. But for now, I will be using some photos from the Google. Okay. So here I have selected these 3 photos from the web browser of Google. So I will be going for an orange flavor for Fanta, and then for fruit twist flavor for Fanta, and then the third one is lemon flavor for Fanta. Okay. So you just need to download multiple flavors if you're generating for soda websites. So I have selected these 3 images and I have downloaded all of the 3 images into my PC. Okay. So this is done over here. I have collected some reference images. Now let's move on to the next part, which is generating the frames. Okay. So here I'm on Google Whisk, and you just need to click on Enter Tool. So here you can create a new project. So I'm already here in new project. So you need to upload your subject over here. So for now, I need to upload the images which we have downloaded and provide prompt over here. Okay. So what I will do, I will just copy the first prompt, which is for the first frame. I will copy this whole prompt and paste it over here. Okay. But before that, I need to add the subject over here. So from here, I will upload for orange first. Okay. Okay, I will share this prompt. Okay, this is to generate the first frame for this orange soda can. Okay, so let's wait for the result. Okay, so we have 2 different options over here. We can select any one option. Okay, so similarly, we will go with the another flavor of this string. So I will just delete this image. And again, click over here on upload image and we'll go with the lemon flavor this time. We need to use the same prompt for the second or on the flavor as well. I will just, once the image is uploaded, I will share this prompt. Okay, so it's uploaded. Now I will share this. Okay, so here we have the the generated frame for lemon flavor as well. Now I will again delete this one and we'll go with the another flavor, which is like fruit twist. Okay, so the image is uploaded and analyzed. Now we'll share this prompt again. Okay, so we have generated the first frame for all of the three images. Now it's time to generate the last frame. So what we will do, we will again move back to our document, and here you just need to copy this prompt up until here. And this time you just need to make sure you need to replace this ingredient part. Okay, you just need to replace this whole, and okay, so I pasted the prompt, but before that we need to select one of the result for each result from here. So let's say for this one we have shadow, in this one we have shadow, and in this one we don't have shadow. So I think I will be going for this one for Fanta. I will just download it. So I have downloaded all of the first frames, selected first frames, and now I will just click over here and upload the images. Okay, so let's go with lemon first. Okay, so now what you need to do, the prompt we have pasted for the last frame, we need to replace the ingredient with the specific ingredient for that specific object, like image. So for lemon flavor, it will be lemon. I need to add and change it something like this. Okay, and now you can share this prompt once the image is uploaded. Okay, so you can see it does provided us with some results of this floating liquid around and lemons popping around this. Okay, now similarly we need to delete this one and upload the another image, let's say for orange, and I need to replace all of the lemons with orange. Okay, and I will share this one again. Okay, so here we do have for orange as well. And similarly, we will delete this one and go with the last one, which is fruit twist. And here we will type. Okay, and I will share this one. Okay, so with this, we have finally generated our first and last frames. So we have already selected the first frames. Now it's time to select the last frames. Okay, so this one, and we can go with this one as well as this one, and I think this one. So I will select because this one doesn't look good. So I will go with this one. Even if you don't feel your result is as according to your requirements, you can go with prompt one more time and even can refine the prompt. Okay, so but for now I will be going with this one over here. We'll save it. And for orange I will go with this one. We'll save it. And for Fanta I will be going with this one. Like lemon flavor I will be going with this one. Okay. So with this, we have completed the step number 2, which is generating frames. Now it's time to go for the step number 3, where we will be generating a video transition using the first frame and the final or last frame on Google Flow. Okay, so now we are here in Google Flow, and now we need to use those frames which we have generated to generate a video. Okay, so we will click here to create a new project. Okay, so those images which we have generated in Google Whisk, we generated them using Nano Banana, and now we can generate videos using Veo. So here what you need to select is frames to video. And here you can see we will be going to get 2 outputs per prompt, landscape and model, which we will be going to use is beta audio, and it's fast. Okay, we will keep it selected. Now here we need to upload the first frame and last frame. Okay, so I will just agree this. Okay, so for the lemon flavor, I will generate first. So I will select the first frame, which is this one. For the second frame, I will upload the picture with the fruits revolving around it, which is the last frame. Okay, this one. Okay, so I've uploaded both of the images. Now let's move back over here. Here you need to copy the whole transition prompt. And here we need to replace this ingredient again with the same stuff. So I will copy this one and we'll go here. Okay, let me paste the prompt. And here I will replace the ingredient. So as it's lemon flavor, I will replace this with lemon. Okay, and now I can share this prompt. Okay, till then I can upload the another frames for next flavor, which let's say I will go for orange. Let me paste the prompt. And I will upload the last frame as well, which is this one. Crop it. Okay, so we have first video ready for our lemon flavor, and even second video is ready. Now I can share this prompt. I will share this prompt. and it will start generating the transition video for orange flavor as well. Okay. Now we'll again paste the prompt, and so as to generate it for like fruit twist, we'll upload the first frame. And now we'll upload the last frame. Okay, so it's ready. Now I will share the third prompt, and let's wait for the final result. Okay, so great. Now we have all of the 3 transition videos for all 3 different flavors are ready. And now we just need to select proper videos according to our requirements. So we will go through the videos. Okay, I think this one looks good because in this one it's tilting. So I will go with this one and we'll download the upscaled version. Let me check for orange as well. Okay, and now for this video. Okay, for orange I will go this one. Let's check for this fruit twist flavor as well. I will save. Okay, I will go with this one for fruit twist. We download upscaled version. Okay, so we have finally selected all of the 3 videos for each of the flavors, and now let's wait for them to be downloaded. Once they are downloaded, we can move on to next step. Okay, so here you can see we have downloaded all of the 3 videos for all of the 3 different flavors. Now this part is also complete. Now let's move on to step number 4, which is setting up requirements for our website. Okay. So as to make our website, the first thing which we will be going to need is Google Antigravity. So hopefully you have downloaded it. So I just need to search for antigravity and I can open it. Okay, so we going to continue with the code in antigravity. And one more thing we need to do, which is like we need to convert all of the videos which we have downloaded into Webp format so that we can use it in our website. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to go to this website link, which is also available over here in like in the document. So you just visit over here, upload all of your videos one by one. So let me start with this one. Okay, so our video is successfully uploaded. If you wish to crop some part here, you can provide a time frame. But for now, I will be going to keep it as it is here. Video different formats available and like frame rate available as well. But for now, you just need to click on convert to Webp. And let's wait for it to be converted into Webp, and then we will download that specific result. Okay, so now you can see this. Here we have a video. For sure, quality is a little like lower than before, but you can save it. Okay. So let me save it. Similarly, we will go back again and we'll do for another flavor. Okay, so this one is also uploaded. We will not do any changes, just directly click on convert to Webp. Now here we can download it. Okay, we will go back again. Okay, I forgot to change the name, but no issues, we will change it later. And now we will go with this one. Okay, so this one is also uploaded. I will click on convert to Webp. Okay, and now I can download it. I will rename this one as well as lemon.webp. Okay, so here we have all of the 3 Webp format transitions videos ready. Okay, so now we have all of the videos converted into Webp, and we have even downloaded the anti-gravity. Now the next part is we need to host these videos online somewhere so that we can get the direct file links. Okay, so for that, what I need to do is I will go to my Hostinger. Okay, so on Hostinger, I can easily create my websites using AI and can even host my website. And if you don't have Hostinger yet, then there is a link or coupon code in the description using which you can get a 20% discount as well as a domain for 1 year for completely free if you're going for a hosting. Okay, so now what you need to do, I'm here in website section. Just click over here in website, add website, and just go to custom PHP HTML website. Okay. Here you can click on someone else or myself or my business, but I will be going to skip this part for now. Okay, here you need to provide a domain name, but for now we will be going to use a temporary domain. But if you have a domain, you can select it from here. But I will skip this part because we will be using a temporary domain. Okay, so it's ready. You can see if I click over here, this is our website, which is some random URL, which is like a free temporary URL. And you can see it is displaying this default page. What you need to do, just go over here in File Manager. and go to public HTML and delete this PHP website file. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to upload those 3 generated videos over here. So what I will do, I will just go over here in Finder and will drag and drop these 3 videos. Okay, so we have all of the 3 videos. I will create one folder over here. So let me just click on new folder. I will name it as transitions. We'll create this folder and we'll move all of these 3 files. So let me select them and we'll move them in transitions. Move. Okay. So now we have all of the 3 files inside this folder. So what you need to do, again go back this to URL to this URL. If you click, this will show forbidden because we don't have any page because we have deleted that page. Now what you can do, just type slash and then transitions slash lemon.webp. It should open that video. Okay. So what you can do, you can copy this URL for lemon and let me just go to my notes. So this one is for lemon. And similarly, okay, let me check this as well, whether if it is working. Okay, I will copy this and paste it as well over here. Okay, so it's ready. Now I can close all of the extra tabs. We will just keep this one open. Okay, so if you don't have an Hostinger account and you wish to host all of the WebP files, then you can go to GitHub. So currently you can see I'm on GitHub and I have logged in with my account. So what you just need to do, just click over here on new and type a repository name. So let's say I will be going to type Fanta Web. Okay. So this name is available. Now you can create a new repository. So just proceed with that. Okay. So here I am in a new repository. What you need to do now is click on upload an existing file. Go over here and select all those WebP files. So here are all of the 3 WebP files. I've selected them and I will upload them on GitHub. Okay, so all of the 3 files are uploaded over here. Now you just need to click on commit changes. Okay, so here now we have uploaded all of the files over here and make sure you have selected your repository as like public. Okay, now what you need to do, just go to settings. Okay, so here you will find the option saying pages. Click over here. And now you can select deploy from branch. So what you need to select over here in branch is as main and click on save. So this will provide a URL for that specific file. So once it is done, you can click on refresh. Okay, so I have refreshed and after refreshing, just after a few minutes, you will see a live URL like this. So if you visit this URL, it will display a 404 error. But after this URL, if you will be going to type your file name, so let me type exactly same as it is, orange.webp. Okay. And if I open this, you can see the video will automatically start playing. And similarly, go for the lemon. You can type lemon and it will load the lemon one. And similarly for the, so over here, you can see, so this is how you can copy all of those 3 URLs. Okay, so you just need to make sure this name over here should exactly match with this, like even it is like case sensitive. So if something is written in like capital letter, you need to write it in capital. If it is written in small, you need to type it in small. Okay, so this way you can get URL for all of these 3 like WebP files, and then you can use these 3 links in your prompt of your code. Okay, so you can go with any of the provided method, even with the Hostinger or even with GitHub Pages. So now it's time to go for website. Okay, so we just need this website whole prompt inside our antigravity. Okay, so here we are in antigravity and here you just need to open folder. Click on open folder and you can create a new folder on anywhere. So let me go to desktop and I will create a new folder and will name it as Fanta. Great. Okay, and I will open this folder. Yes, I will trust. Okay, so this is how antigravity looks like. So this is the area where all of your files will show up. This is the main coding area where you will be going, if any of the coding file is selected, you can check it over here. You can edit the code and you can write the code over here. And this is the main part for today's video, which is like the area where we will be going to take help of AI agent so as to develop our website. Okay, so what you need to do, just go back here to the prompt and you can copy this whole prompt. Let me copy this up until here. Here you can change all of the red part as according to your website or as according to your requirements. And for now, I just will be going to change this frame count from 240 to 192 because it's we have 8 seconds of video and we have selected 24 frames. So 24 into like 8 we will be going to do, which is 192. Okay. So let me go back over here and copy this whole prompt. Okay. And here even we will be going to provide the path. So I will make it 192. For this one as well, 192. And for this one as well. Okay. Now we will go back over here and I will replace all of those links. So let me fruit twist. So let's see. This one is for orange. This one is for lemon. And this one is for fruit twist. And Webp sequence URL path here I will paste this. Okay. Similarly, I will go for another link which is for orange. Cut it and paste it for orange over here. Okay, again we'll go back here and we'll copy the link for lemon as well and we'll paste it over here. Okay, so our prompt is completely ready. Okay, and here I have selected Gemini 3 Pro High. So this is the model which I've selected. So let me just share this prompt. Okay, we have shared the prompt and now we just need to wait for it to generate and write code for us. And you might need to accept a few things when it is asking for permission to write some code or to execute some command. Okay, so here you can see in anti-gravity it has created a basic structure and you just need to accept it whether you are comfortable with this structure. So I will just accept and then it will start generating the website for me. Okay, so if you feel like that Webp format is not working that much well for you, then you can just go to web browser and search for this. So we will try to convert our video into frames. So you just need to visit this GIF image into frames. And on this link, you need to upload your videos over here. So these are Webp videos. You can upload your Webp videos over here. So let's say I will be going for orange one first. Just click on upload. Okay, so here you can see here we do have our video. Just click on split to frames. As our video is of 8 seconds and it does the 24 frames per second. So by default, it will be going to have 192 of total frames. So you can see it is split into images. So you can see a lot of images over here. What you just need to just click over here on download frames as zip. And by this, you will get a zip file for this orange drink. You need to repeat the same process for orange, lemon and fruit twist. And once you have repeated the same process, then you will get a folder like this. You need to unzip all of the files inside a folder. So you can say I've created a folder named transitions. And here I do all of the files for fruit twist. You can see all of 192 images. You can see 191 because it started from 0. So it means total 192 images. Similarly for lemon as well as for the orange. And then what you just need to do inside your anti-gravity. Okay, so I'm here inside anti-gravity in another project, and here you can see I'm using those images over here. So here is the transitions folder. Inside transitions folder, I do have fruit twist, lemon and orange, and you just need to make some changes to prompt that you will be going to upload all of these separated frames later, and you just need to make sure you will be uploading it inside transitions, fruit twist, lemon and orange, and you need to specify this into your prompt as well. So if Webp format is not working for you, then you can go with this one as well and it should for sure work.
A few moments later.
Okay, so once you feel your website is ready after making all of the changes and iterations, you can go back over here in anti-gravity. And inside anti-gravity, what you need to do, you need to generate a static build so that now you can host it on your favorite hosting. So what you just need to do, just type generate a static build. Okay. So we will share this command with anti-gravity and it will help us in generating a static build which we can host on either Hostinger or on Firebase console for free web hosting. So let's wait for it to generate a static build. We will accept this command and execute it. Okay, so it has finally generated a static build at this specific path. Let's move on to this path. So I will go to my file manager over here and site portable SSD over here, and here you can see. So here's the dist folder. So all of the contents of this dist folder, you need to copy and paste into your hosting. So what I will be going to do is, let's move on to your web browser. So let's proceed with the Hostinger. So I'm here on a Hostinger, and as mentioned previously, if you are not using Hostinger, then there's a discount code in the description which using which you will be going to get 20% discount and free domain for 1 year. Okay, so let's click on website, and here we need to create a website. So click on add website, go to custom PHP HTML website. After this, you can skip this part. From here, you can select any of your domain. For now, I will be going to use a temporary domain, but if you do have any domain, you can select it. Okay. Now over here, you need to go to file manager, but before that, this is the URL which it has provided to us. And if you click over here, it will display this default page. But let's go to file manager, and we need to delete that default page and replace it with our contents. Go to public HTML, delete this default file. Okay, and now here just go to that folder, and you need to upload all of these contents. Just drag and drop them over here. Okay, so you can see it has started uploading, and once the upload is done, you can refresh that specific URL and your website will be live over here. Okay, so you can see it's uploaded, and this is how our website looks on localhost. But if you go to this default pin and just click on refresh, here you can see it has started working exactly like same as on localhost, and it's working live on this URL. You can connect your own domain and use it. So this is how you can host your website on Hostinger. Now for free way, you can just go to Firebase console and host your website similarly over here. You just need to create a project and go for Firebase hosting. So for that, if you wish to host a website for completely free without even going for a paid hosting, so as to host it on Google Firebase, there's a video in the I button. You can go to that I button and watch that video from there. Even I will attach the link in the description as well, so that you can host your website for completely free on Google Firebase. If you're facing any issues or need any support from our team or from our side, you can comment down below or reach out to us from the details attached in the description, so that we can reach out to you and can help out to you and resolve all of your issues. So finally, we have completed each and everything required for this video. I have attached the link for each and every material required for this video in the description and in the pinned comment section. If you still have any doubts or questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. We will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.